Welcome back to Truth Bomb Tuesday, and today I'm going to tell you something most people never hear from their doctor, but they probably should. A lot of women report better libido on a higher fat, ketogenic, or carnivore diet. Now, this isn't taboo, it's physiology. And men, many of you already know this because you're often the first ones who notice the confidence shift. So let's break the stereotype and talk about it today. Low libido isn't just aging, it isn't just menopause, and it isn't just stress. Low libido is very often a metabolic signal in both pre and postmenopausal women. When inflammation is high, when your blood sugar is spiking and crashing, and when your hormones are juggling chaos all day long, your body isn't in a state where desire can show up. It's in survival mode. But when you lower carbs, bring in healthy fats, and stabilize insulin, things shift rather quickly. First, inflammation drops. And when inflammation calms down, blood flow improves. Yes, in the places that matter. Let's just put it that way. Second, your sex hormones are literally made from dietary fat. And when you give your body the building blocks it needs, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and DHEA can rebalance. That alone can change how you feel in your own skin. Third, your nervous system finally gets to exhale, right? Keto and carnivore lower cortisol, smooth out your energy, and calm that wired and tired state that so many of us live in. A calm nervous system is a receptive nervous system. And here's something we don't talk about enough. As your body composition improves, as inflammation goes down, as bloating disappears, as your shape changes, and you start to feel stronger, your confidence rises. And confidence is a huge part of libido. Feeling good in your body matters. I'll add this from personal experience. When I originally lost 60 pounds after my lap band, that had to be 15 or 16 years ago, it was very strange and honestly a little uncomfortable. Suddenly I was getting more attention from people. So I wasn't used to it. Before you're even approved for surgery, you have to meet with a psychiatrist, and they warn you about that, and they warn you that your partner may go through their own emotional process as your appearance changes. That can play out in all kinds of ways: pride, insecurity, surprise, even needing time to adjust. And it is very important to talk things through with your partner as you're changing. Communication matters just as much as physical transformation does. So when body composition improves on keto or carnivore, it isn't just your mindset that shifts. Sometimes your partner's emotions shift too, and that's normal and worth acknowledging. Now, I want to hear from our community anonymously. Women, if you've noticed this, you don't have to share details. A simple yes in the comments is enough. Men, have you seen a shift in your partner since going low carb or carnivore? Drop a definitely. Completely anonymous, totally respectful. What I'll do is I'll put a poll on the community tab so you can vote without saying a word. No details, no explanations, just data that I will report back and use in a follow-up video. Your libido is a sign of health, not something to be embarrassed about. And when your metabolism heals, everything, including desire, often follows. That's your Truth Bomb Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.